Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So today's video is going to showcase some Pixie hairstyle ideas. So if you have been dreaming of cutting your hair into a Pixie style and you're in need of some major inspiration, this video is for you. Here we have a classic all black Pixie, followed by more of a Pixie undercut style. I really like the texture that was created within this cut. It's very choppy and chic, and it really kind of accents the highlights that it has as well. Very cool. Next up, we have like a Pixie mohawk style. So she does have a pop of gray going there in the front. Then we have someone doing a self DIY hair dye. Beautiful gray Pixie style, more of that like mushroom shape. And then we have a platinum Pixie. The cut and color on this is just absolutely gorgeous. So if you guys do feel inspired by any of these hairstyles, please be sure to like today's video, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. So here we have someone styling their Pixie. Now she has more of like a Pixie undercut, but she can play around with the placement of how she wants the hair. And for this particular style, she is doing more of like a mohawk spiked feel. I really like the way she curled the hair with that. This is absolutely gorgeous. And then we do have another kind of undercut Pixie style, kind of like a faded Pixie variation. And the hair is all slicked back. I love how this accents the cheekbones. And then we have another beautiful Pixie makeover. So it looks like she ended up going a little bit more platinum and then also getting an undercut design going and some black in the bangs. Wow. This is so modern and chic. I absolutely love this. Such a fun hairstyle. And then we kind of have a reverse of what we just saw in a way. This is more of like a Pixie faded cut as well, and it features some blonde going there in the bangs while the rest is all black. And then we have someone rocking some platinum hair color within their Pixie, and they're going to be adding in some twist. Now this is a great hairstyle if you want to shake things up and do something a little different with your hair. So she does add in some curls for some volume. I really like her earrings and how they accent the style. Very cute. Oh wow, she put a little ear cuff. That is so cute. So next up we have someone else rocking platinum hair. Beautiful mushroom style Pixie. And once again, she can play around with the placement of the hair. She can wear it all to one side. She can brush it upward, do more of like a mohawk, or wear it downward. So there's lots of versatility when you are choosing what kind of pixie style that you actually want. And then we have another classic pixie here, beautiful all black. And I would call this more of like a Peter Pan style pixie. Next up, we have another shaven back and nape area with the pixie style, creating more of like a mohawk vibe. Really liking the color with this as well. Beautiful bright blonde. And once again, they can also play around with the placement of where they want the hair. Really liking that textured spiky shape. And then we have another pixie styling video. So they're going to be trimming the hair, just kind of adding in a little bit more shape. Going in with the razor. And this is definitely more of like that spiky, textured, choppy pixie style. Alright you guys, so hope you enjoyed checking out all these hairstyles that were featured in today's video. Let us know in the comments below which pixie style would you wear or you're thinking of getting. And I will of course see you in the next video.